Hello, this is Poke here, and today I am Taylor in my new school requested me to do a video showing what my cats look like, and I will do it, even though he says I'm a psychopath because I bet myself up in a video, but doesn't matter, no biggie, it's fine. So this is my cat. 1 second. So you should be able to see my cat, if I get it properly. That's my cat Juno. And I will get him up. And 1 sec. So I'm gonna get my cat up. Actually, my face is here, so easily open. Hamish. There we go, Hamish. So it's just charge. Right, I have if you want me to do more vlogs like this or murder mystery 2 Christmas update, which might not be out for long. Oh my godly nice, all of them. And yeah, stay tuned, leave a like and subscribe. If this video can reach maybe 30, if this video can reach 30 likes, I'll be proud of you guys. And if you want me to do a reacting video to my newbie videos, just go down, leave it in the comment section down below. And I will see you guys later.